Welcome to Hindi Urdu Learning Station. In this grammar class, we will talk about imperfect participle or habitual tense. Imperfect participle shows actions of a habitual nature, an incomplete action, a repeated action, a process of action. It will be formed by the adding suffix ta, verb root plus ta, te, ti, nasalized. Ta will inflect to agree with the number and gender of the subject. Here is a table. Masculine singular ta, padhta. Masculine plural te, padhte. Feminine singular ti, padhti. Feminine plural ti, padhti. So singular and plural for feminine noun will be same. Word phrases often indicates the use of an habitual tense. Each, every day, week, year, often, usually, generally, daily, always. हर दिन, हर सप्ताह या हफ्ता, हर महीना, हर वर्ष या साल, कभी-कभी, आमतौर पर, रोज, हमेशा, अक्सर. Here are some examples. He goes to the school every day. वो प्रतिदिन या हर दिन या रोजाना स्कूल जाता है. I, subject is feminine, live here. मैं यहाँ रहती हूँ. Every Sunday at that time the children are in the park. हर रविवार या इतवार उस वक्त या उस समय बच्चे पार्क में होते हैं. Those women speak English. वे महिलाएं या वो खवातीन अंग्रेजी बोलती हैं. Negation नहीं will be used and when we will make a negative sentence in imperfect participle, we will usually drop the auxiliary verb. For example, why you, subject is masculine, don't speak English. तुम अंग्रेजी क्यों नहीं बोलते? Those women don't speak English. वो महिलाएं अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलती. Uses of imperfect participle. The first use is adjectival use. When imperfect participle is used as an adjective, it always agree in number and gender with the noun it modify, and usually followed by the appropriate form of the past participle of the verb hona. Here are some examples. The boy who is or who was running, दौड़ता हुआ लड़का, the flying bird, उड़ती हुई चिड़िया. In this sentence we can drop हुई, उड़ती चिड़िया we can say. A moving bus, चलती हुई बस. Don't wake up the child who is sleeping. सोते हुए बच्चे को मत जगाओ. Next use is adverbial use. In this type of sentences, the subject or the object performs the action of the participle at the same time as the action of main verb. This adverbial phrase can be translated into English with phrases beginning with while. It almost always used in singular masculine oblique form and it will take suffix te and frequently expanded by hona. Adverbial use. Some example. I met one of my friend while returning home. मैं घर लौटते हुए अपने एक दोस्त से मिली. She said this to me while laughing. उसने हंसते हुए मुझसे ये कहा. Next is imperfect participle plus he. In order to give a sense of as soon as or immediately after, the participle he may be added to the masculine oblique form of imperfect participle. Example, as soon as the lightning flashed, it began to rain. बिजली चमकते ही पानी बरसने लगा. As soon as the sun came out, we began to feel the heat. धूप निकलते ही हमको गर्मी लगने लगी. Next is imperfect participle plus समय या वक्त. It gives a sense of simultaneity of two actions, the action of main verb taking place at the same time as the actions signified in the imperfect participle plus time. Stay inside when it shower. बारिश होते समय अंदर रहो. One should not talk on mobile while driving. गाड़ी चलाते समय या चलाते वक्त मोबाइल पर बात नहीं करनी चाहिए. Repeated imperfect participle shows continuing or repeated action. Verb will be in masculine oblique form. Action of main verb would be considered to be an effect of the preceding action. For example, I get tired watching cricket. मैं क्रिकेट देखते देखते थक जाती हूँ. I did my work while listening the songs. गाने सुनते सुनते मैंने अपना काम किया. Next is repeated imperfect participle plus bachna. In this construction, the subject of the main verb is narrowly saved from some mishappening. They almost died. वो मरते मरते बचे. The plate almost broke. Plate टूटते टूटते बची. Next is repeated imperfect participle. Something was going to happen but did not happen at the last moment. That something which did not happen was not necessarily unfortunate. It depends on the context of the sentence. For example, she almost said this to Raj. वो राज से ये कहते कहते रह गई. Raj almost went to US. राज US जाते जाते रह गया. Next is imperfect participle plus रहना, continuation of an action. It shows to stay, to remain, or it will be agree with subject. It's rarely used in negation. For example, while we were strolling in the market, we kept looking at the shop. बाजार में घूमते समय या घूमते वक्त हम दुकानों की तरफ देखते रहे. The dog went on barking the whole night. कुत्ता रात भर भौंकता रहा. Next, imperfect participle plus jana, deliberate continuation of an action. And the progression of a condition leading to a change. Never take nay, gradual unfolding of the action resulting in change. Please go on speaking, I am listening to you. आप बोलते जाइए, मैं सुन रहा हूँ. Here is a share, a couplet of a poetry. I had set for the destination alone, but as people went on coming, a caravan came into existence gradually. मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल, लोग आते गए, कारवां बनता गया. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more Hindi Urdu lessons, Hindi Urdu Learning Station. Thank you.